If you are an occupational therapist and help people, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your occupational therapist practice business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding appointment, booking, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your occupational therapist practice business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and here I need to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: book a session, receive a tip and talk to support. I'm going to click on receive a tip. As soon as I have selected receive OT tip, I got a response in which they have mentioned all the essential tips that we need to follow to improve our lifestyle, and with that they have provided me an action button which says menu. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to select book a session. To book a session, they want few details like my name. I will enter that. As soon as I have entered my name, they want preferred date. After date, they want to know about type of session. Now they want to know about focus area. As soon as they got every single detail, they have provided me with a message which says, we confirm your appointment with therapist, availability and fee detail. With that also they have provided me an menu option. As soon as I have selected my menu option, I got initial message one more time. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for occupational therapist practice, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your occupational therapist practice. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As I got to know about all three features, today I'm going to use Reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message with a media message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button message and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Over here, I will enter my message which welcome my customer and say welcome to therapist assistant, your occupational therapy support bot, help you stay on track with consistent care and progress monitoring. We help clients schedule appointment, track their progress, share therapy exercise, and stay connected between visit all through WhatsApp. How can we support you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, book a session, receive OT tip, and talk to support. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with book a session. To book a session for my client, I need to drag and drop, ask question, action, and I'm going to connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message in which I ask my customer to enter their full name, and with that, I'm going to provide my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After knowing about name, I will ask about preferred date. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share preferred date. I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as date as well. Here I'm going to increase my number of attempt as well to give multiple attempt to my customer. After that, I'm going to provide two more questions like type of session and focus area. I have selected my contact custom field as consultation for type of session and concern for focus area. Now as we got to know about every single detail of my customer, I'm going to send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I mention that we confirm your appointment with therapist available and fee detail. With that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our second action button, which is receive OT tip. To give OT tip, I'm going to drag and drop text plus button message over here and connect with my action button. Here I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the tips that my customer need to follow to improve their lifestyle. Not only that, I have also mentioned a menu button with it, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you already. Let's move to our last action button, which is talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button and I'm going to enter my message in which I have mentioned that need urgent help, payment info and specialized referral. Our team is available Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Typical reply time is 15 minutes or less. With that also, I'm going to provide a menu button. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for occupational therapist business. On to our last step, don't forget to activate your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.